Guys, check this out. We are breaking out. We're in the green. Hopefully another day where we stay positive. Check this out. 15 cents in the after hours or pre-market for December 19th. Very bullish. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about NIO stock. So everybody check this out, okay? We know the NIO's Twitter page says NIO Global. That's their at. The future equals smart, electric, and autonomous vehicles. We aim to lead the way. Our mission is to shape a joyful lifestyle. So what does this mean? NIO is a lifestyle brand. They're not just focusing on cars. They're trying to help their customers in every area of their lives. So, fashion, like you want to buy clothes, you buy with the NIO app. You want to buy, I don't know, like appliances or kitchenware, you can buy that stuff and browse all that on the NIO app. So what I'm saying is this is huge. NIO's not just going for the EV market. They're going to target different markets as well with their brand. So here you can see Shanghai, London, Munich, and San Jose. These are four different headquarters in different continents. So here you have Europe, right? And then you have San Jose, the United States, and Shanghai. So, three different continents. We expect this to go up as they expand even more. So, we probably see some more of these, headquarters popping up in France. Not just in France, Italy, as well. Italy is a huge country. There's a lot of car brands over there that are very important. That are, that are huge. They're trendsetters. Now it's not just Europe. I think that Japan, South Korea, and a lot of other Asian countries as well. They're gonna open up headquarters there, hopefully. So strong hands, people. That is key. Can't get enough of the NIO EP9. Return to the driver's seat with the Grand Tour episode featuring the ultra fast EP9 at Richard Hammond. So this right here is NIO just teasing us, man, showing us pictures of the new hypercar that they got. This is an all-electric vehicle. We don't know much about this car, but it has butterfly doors, as you can clearly see. It's a beautiful car. Obviously a lot better. It's going to be out of reach for most people, but it's still serving a market. There's a market for these kind of cars. There's people out there who would pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for a vehicle like this if it has the right speed, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, whatever kind of scale or metrics they use to measure that and to compare it against other hypercars. This is going to be game changing for NIO. They're just evolving as a brand, so they're serving pretty much any need that the customers have. So if you want to have a family vehicle or SUV, you got the ES8, you got the ES6, and you got the EC6. You want a sedan, you want a reliable sporty sedan, you got the E7 or ET7, whatever you want to call it. So they're serving their customers. They're looking at what the customers want and need, and they're providing value that way by putting these cars out there in the market. And that is what any good company should be doing. The Tesla has the Roadster. Tesla also has the Model X and the Model Y. NIO has the EP9, and they have the the ES8, which is the ultra like premium brand version of their SUV. And that's a more expensive version. And then they also have an affordable SUV, like a Model Y alternative, which is their EC6, and they offer subsidies. So I can't tell you enough, man. Like this is just. It's either you have a vision for this company, you see the vision, you see where they're going, and you invest in it, or not, or you're just gonna miss out. The train's about to leave, man. The stock is gonna go up in the future. Look at how Tesla's been moving up. Ever since they did their stock offering, Tesla has been going up a lot recently. NIO also went up an insane amount. So don't expect these prices to remain like this for any longer. Definitely cop as many shares as you can. By the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so do not buy or sell because of anything I say. These are just my own personal opinions. So again, I'm bullish for the long term. I don't know how you stand with this company, but I'm not fearful or worried about it falling or losing 10% in the short term, because I know in the future, over time, as they release more vehicles and products and they sell more cars, that we as investors, holders of NIO equity, we're gonna take part in their profits, and through owning shares of NIO. And here's if we want 4 free stocks. Now this literally requires like no work. takes less than 10 minutes. I'm willing to say it takes like 5 to 6 minutes to do this, but it's a limited time offer. I don't know how long this is going to last, but get 4 free stocks for joining Webull. The link's in the description of my video. Check it out. People have been signing up like crazy. They want those 4 free stocks. Now they're valued between $8 to $1,600 each. I don't know how lucky you are. You could get something like an Apple share or Facebook share. Just depends on your luck. I'd rather get an Apple share, because Facebook's been facing a lot of scrutiny, but you can trade on your computer or your phone. It doesn't matter. It's accessible to anyone, literally. If you're beginning to invest right now and you're trying to start the new year investing money and getting started on building wealth and stuff, this is a great beginner's platform. Check it out. Don't miss out on that opportunity to get free money. NIO's American depository receipts have shot up even faster than Tesla shares this year, but Jeff Reeves thinks NIO's the better stock buy for 2021. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that NIO is the better stock buy for 2021 in terms of growth percentages? Because obviously Tesla has a higher market cap, so it takes a lot more money to flow into the market for it to move up in price, as opposed to NIO. It doesn't take much for it to just go up like $4 or $5. You guys have seen recently how, because of the buying orders and stuff, people have been buying a lot of NIO shares as well, just like Tesla. It's been going up steadily. Like, it hasn't shot up like crazy, but it looks like it's building some momentum. At least like we're building up into going into a uptrend, and hopefully erase these losses that we've had in the past 2 weeks. And yeah, be back here at $50, because $50 is a good price to be for NIO. That's going to build a lot of confidence for our investors, knowing that we're getting closer and closer to all-time highs. $57 is ideally like where we want to be before this year ends, but if that doesn't happen, $50 is fine. I'll take it. $50 is okay. I mean, we're at 46. We're not that far off, guys. $3 more and we'll literally be there. We actually touched $48, so we wicked up there, then came back down to 46.72. So that's where we closed yesterday on the 18th. Now I want to show you guys this other article. I want to show you this stuff. These are the stocks that have been traded the most, and it's showing NIO right here. NIO, and then you have some other ones over here. And then you got Apple. You have the SPY or S&P 500 ETFs, and then you have General Electric, AT&T, Tesla, Pfizer, however you spell that company's name. But yeah, and I always remind you guys about the institutional ownership that NIO has right now going on for it. Like, there's a lot of shares that are owned by Billy Gifford. They own a ton, and they have a 10% stake in NIO. So this whale right here, they keep adding more and more shares. Like last quarter, they added 11 million shares. So it just shows you that people are increasing their positions. Not people, but institutions are increasing their positions, and so are retail investors. It's not just institutions. It's not just large companies. It's people too who wanna take part in this wealth transfer that's going to begin to take place, and the people that are going to benefit are going to be the ones that invest into cryptocurrencies, digital assets, and also EV stocks and tech stocks. This is the wealth transfer that's beginning to happen. It's going to start happening as we go on into the rest of this decade. So if you want to be a part of that, definitely invest into NIO, Tesla, invest into Apple. Apple is still bringing out products, guys. They got the AirPods Max. It's insane stuff. So like, these companies are going to continue to grow and grow. And if if a market crash happens, guess what? You shouldn't be worried, man. It's your time to accumulate more. Especially if you understand the fundamentals, you understand the company, you did the research, put in the work, you did your due diligence, and you understand that there's a market. There's a market for that product that they're selling, and that they're doing the right thing at staying compliant with the SEC, with other regulators and auditors. Then you can sleep well at night knowing that you're holding on to a great stock that's going to appreciate in values. It's an asset that's going to go up over time, and it's going to make you a ton of money. And this is just these are the benefits that you're going to reap as an investor. So everyone knows this, but I'm just trying to encourage you guys, trying to remind you guys why you're here. Like, NIO is a good stock. It's not going to fall down anything. I don't think it's going to go below $35. Like, 39, 38, okay, but 35, low 30s, I don't see that happening anytime soon. So don't expect that to happen unless some like major event happens with like the stock market and ends up crashing like on March. if that doesn't happen, I don't see it coming down, down there to the low 30s at all. Like, I see NIO staying above 40 for now, and hopefully getting up there, building up momentum to get back up to the 47, the all-time high. So yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. This is a price target that I saw. NIO 2021 price target. We are going to 2x, 3x our money. Now I see that happening. That's basically saying NIO is gonna be at least $150 a share by the end of 2021. If you want a 2x or 3x your money, I would say that's a pretty realistic prediction. This is actually possible. Like, me, if I told you that NIO was gonna get to $500 or $1,000 by the end of 2021, I'd be lying to you, because that's not gonna happen in 2021. Could happen 5 to 10 years from now, but not in 1 year from now. Like, I'm looking when I'm still invested in the long term, but in the short term, 12 months from now, I see NIO getting to at least $150 as an all-time high, by the end of 2021. We could, after that, it could be a major correction, and it could go back down. But still, I see this stock has potential to go up there and at least consolidate around those prices. Anywhere above 140 to 150. That's very realistic for this company. As we've seen it go up a lot, it's gone up literally exponentially. Like, the growth has been exponential. I mean, are you kidding me? It's a 10x stock. NIO was a 10x stock in 2020. I can at least 3x your money in 2021, or 2x your money. That's not like impossible. Anyone that says it's not going to 2x your money in 2021, it just doesn't have the vision. They don't believe in what the space is capable of what they're going to be able to accomplish in the coming years, as electric vehicles become the norm. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely leave a like and comment if you did, and if you have any suggestions for any companies that are also hot like NIO, let me know. I'll try to do my best to find time and like review and analyze them for you guys and share my opinions on them. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.